Vidyasagar NEET institutions for regular and long term. Concept Dr. 60. I proudly say that every year we are providing 60 to 70% of the medical seat. For example, if we take the 30 members of the student admission, in that 21 to 22 students they are going to get medical seat. This is possible by we are taking 60 members of the admission, each classroom only 30 members, and we are taking individual care on each and every students. So I requested to all NEET aspirants, if really dedicated to become a doctor or you want to keep a doctor in front of your name, please join with us. We will fulfill your goal because we are providing the wonderful techniques for each and every subject and well experienced faculty